Alright, so I've been wearing these for a few days now and I want to give you my honest opinion on these shoes. These are Nike Air Max 95s, super iconic style. I'll talk about the history of these shoes and how they actually feel on the foot. Okay, let's go. Okay, the first of all, the design is just crazy. Even though if you're not into sneakers, you've probably seen this silhouette before. The layered side panels, they create that wave look, and neon green details, they really pop. It's bold, but still clean. So these dropped in 1995 and were designed by Sergio Lozano. The design is inspired by human body, so these layers as muscles and laces as ribs. It also introduced 4-foot air units, which was a big innovation at the time. Now comfort. I've worn these few times and they feel really good. The air cushioning absorbs impact well, especially in the heel. They are not super soft, but very stable and supportive. They hug your foot nicely so you feel secure. So fit-wise, I would say they go true to size. They do feel a bit snug at first, but after wearing them a bit, they break in nicely, so it's not a problem. They also heavier than newer sneakers, but you don't really notice it unless you walking all day, so it's not a problem too. For everyday wear, these are solid. I would say it's really nice shoes. You can also style them with pretty much anything, like jeans, cargos, sweats. They go to everything. I would say it's more color game, yeah, but they look nice with everything. So we're finally home, and what I would like to say about these shoes, they look nice, they feel comfy, and they definitely worth if you would like to get some classic shoes. Let me know your thoughts about these Air Maxes in the comments and we can talk about it. Yeah, so thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon on my channel. Bye!